God.
2, 1, go!
6 days before we are leaving the country, and we're picking up our currency right now because we went ahead and ordered it beforehand. Now we are getting ready to go to the UPS store to get a paper notarized saying that it's okay for Chris to travel with the kids by himself and vice versa in case of emergency.
Next step is to go to AAA, and we're going to get our international driver's license.
I don't even drive at home, so I don't know why I'm getting mine. I'm passenger princess.
Cheers.
It is 48 hours until our trip, and this is what our packing situation looks like.
We've kind of called an audible. So we have our 3 large Samsonite suitcases, and we've decided last minute that we need to backpack it up because that seems to be the way to go. All right, got the backpacks.
Look at you and all your rolling.
Been learning.
Show me how.
I watched a Marine do it on YouTube.
Riley's ready. Riley is ready.
Riley's gonna miss me.
You are gonna miss Roger. You're not? Roger gives mommy a leg stand on.
Right.
Here they go off on their world tour.
Where are we going?
Indonesia.
Yay! We're going to Indonesia.
Yes. Is my rog still?
You already look like you belong in Bali. Yep, your rog's still there.
Okay. Just making sure.
Chicken in your luggage today?
I don't think so. These are good, right?
These are good.
Okay.
We currently just made it through security and we're looking for the lounge. We feel like weeble wobbles with so much stuff on our backs and our fronts.
Coming through the airport with the amount of stuff that we have, you can see I am sweating profusely.
Let's try it to Noah. Noah,
What?
how does it feel to be going to Bali?
I'm very excited.
Yes, very excited, he said. And let's bring out Mom. Mom,
Hi.
how does it feel to be going to Bali?
It feels so good. I'm so excited, but I'm not excited to pick up these backpacks again because it feels like I'm going to
Yes.
topple over.
Yes, the backpacks are very heavy. I don't carry any backpacks. I just carry my stuffed animals. Dad, how does it feel to be going to Bali?
So excited.
We're about to board our flight to San Francisco.
This is the moment of truth where we figure out if these bags are going to fit in the overhead. We made it to the San Francisco airport. So we found a good spot on the floor and we're getting on a 12.5-hour flight to Taiwan. So here we are.
This is a nice plane. China Airlines is a pretty sweet airline to fly on.
2:50 in the morning and we just got served our dinner.
We got a delicious pasta meal. Eat this and sleep like the rest of the way. Bye, thank you. Huh? Right there's Noah. Thank you. Just got a 5.5-hour flight left, and we'll be good. Noah. Boom.
Last flight.
Finally. We are finally in Bali.
Welcome to Bali. We're officially here. Can you believe it? After all these hours.
Oh, cool. Did you see this, Noah? Whoa.
Looking for a rental car.
Just jump.
already seen a moped wreck, and the traffic here is insane.
There's another horse and buggy up here.
5 hours later.
Riley and I would like to give everybody a little tour of our
Villa.
Where are we?
We are in Bali.
We're in Bali. What part? Do you remember?
I do not remember.
I barely remember. We are in North Bali. Took us how long to drive from the airport up here?
3 hours. About 4.
Almost 4 hours. How did Daddy do in this crazy traffic?
Okay.
Yeah?
Good for your first time. This is where we eat breakfast. Sometimes lunch and sometimes dinner.
When Mersi cooks for us especially, right?
Yeah. This is a life. The balcony with the amazing view. Amazing view balcony. Right here. If you want an amazing view, this place, go.
This is where you come, huh?
Yes, it is where you come. This is big. Oh, that's a long way down.
Selamat pagi. This is Mersi, and she takes such good care of us. She's always fixing our meals and helping us around the house, and we're so thankful for Mersi.
We are in the car with Made. We didn't want me to get us all killed, so Made is going to take us around to see some things.
You're welcome.
Made is the best.
With a pleasure.
It is very different driving in Bali, so if you don't have experience, come find Made.
Yeah.
I guess those are real, aren't they? I thought those were fake. They're huge. You want to hold on the iguana?
From Amazon. No. It's just mice.
What? Oh, what?
You can hold and take picture on it.
With him?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can wait, right?
That's big.
Oh my God.
Oh.
I can't even hold this steady. I'm like shaking, babe. Oh my gosh, you're holding a snake right now.
He's good?
Hold on. Okay. Do you want to hold him? You can hold him. How does he feel?
Cool.
He feels cool?
Already swimming. I give him water.
He's like, yes, I like water.
This is not on my bucket list.
Dad's always wanted to be Batman.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe Mom's doing this.
Does he like this? Or I thought he liked the dark. Action.
The bad girl.
You promise he won't. Oh my God.
I held him.
Oh my God. This is like my worst fear in the entire world. I feel like he can sense that this is.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, baby.
Oh, he's.
Oh, what is he doing?
He wants
He's.
your,
Oh.
he wants a zipper, Mom.
He could probably tell that I'm like shaking.
Oh, there's no
road. So many monkeys.
Babe, he was an amputee monkey.
I know.
Yeah, this one has a baby.
Aww.
Oh my gosh, did you see their little baby?
Yeah.
Oh, that was a big one. This one is trying to get all the food. And
Yeah.
so they have to like quickly get it.
I love this.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is so.
But still far to go.
Yeah, we're just scratching
We're just
the surface.
starting. So that is the main temple.
Uh-huh.
This is the yard that people will wait here to go in for praying. So in ceremony, the water get down.
Yeah.
Can you believe that? So people can walk in.
Oh my
Before there
gosh.
is bridge, but not anymore.
The turtle. She wants to sit on the turtle. You okay? Somebody's tired and hungry. Only our kids would come to the temple and can't leave without ice cream. Right, Noah?
Yeah. I like the philosophy of this restaurant.
Oh my gosh, this place is beautiful. Noah has his shirt on inside out. First of all, he forgets his sleeves for the temple and has to wear a sarong around his shoulders. Now, I was tired. Be careful, honey. You have to be a local to find this place, don't you?
Oh yeah. Connection.
That's right.
You ride on yourself, you won't find it.
No, I would have never found this place. Oh, that looks delicious.
You just gotta stop and take it in. It's just amazing. It just shows how big the world is.
They're the deer cows.
Yeah, Mom says that they look like a deer in the face, which they do.
They're the prettiest cows I've ever seen. All the joys of being an amputee. I'm doing like a crab walk.
I'm excited to go cliff jumping tomorrow. Can't wait to see Dad go off the 30 what was it? Like 10 meter?
Yeah, 10 meters.
30 feet-ish.
Be careful, yeah? Luwak very smart animal because they know to choose the best quality of coffee bean to eat. After they eat coffee bean and just swallow the coffee bean and get fermentation, the stomach digestion until poo coming. This is the poo from the animal.
Oh, that's the
Yeah,
poop,
the poo
right?
come outside still bean, yeah? And not yet clean.
Are y'all ready to try this cat,
I'm ready.
cat poop coffee?
Or do we need a spoon, or do we just need, is it hot?
No, it's not hot. This is cat poop coffee. Made from actual cat poop.
What? You tasted it without us.
Oh, I thought you guys were coming. It's the best cat poop I've ever tasted.
Are those the poop coffees?
How much cat food have you tasted?
It is good. I like it.
Are those the poops?
Yeah.
It is. You want to try it?
I don't want to try the poops.
You don't want to try it? A little sip?
I want to try a poop.
No poop today.
No poop.
Oh, that's really good.
The last thing Mom, the last thing I thought you'd eat in the world.
It's good. It's actually really good.
But here you are.
Noah tricked Riley, and she also had poop coffee. What do you think of it?
It was good though, right?
No, it's terrible.
I mean, you can't. You don't drink coffee, so you can't really compare it to anything.
Another beautiful day in Bali, and my day is taking us to the Aling Waterfall. Babe, do you need to hold on to me? No, why don't you stay close to Riley and I'll hold Mom's hand.
These steps are not
Ready for this? Yeah. How many meters is this? 5. 5 meters. Here goes nothing. All right. 3, 2, 1. Woo! What do you think?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh my gosh, it's so cold.
That's why you just have to jump in.
Hold on, I can't. Woo!
Got it, baby.
So
Oh,
slippery.
oh, catch. Arm. Hold your nose. Hold your nose. Go. Yeah.
Guess I'm going.
That is a jump.
There you go.
Yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Wow. Oh my God.
Too high.
It's what?
Yeah.
It's high.
Because just controlling your body by your jump, it's controlling body this way.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, yes.
Huh?
Yeah.
Just body straight.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3,
Oh my god.
2, 1, go! Oh my God. I just jumped off of that. Holy moly. You talk about an adrenaline rush. Oh my God. I was so close to chickening out on that. I'm so glad I didn't. Now, to get back up there. What do you think, Mommy? Huh? Good. I know, it's a lot of steps, a lot of rough terrain for an amputee. So, oh, Noah's launching his drone.
Make sure to like and subscribe, ring that bell button, and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye.